István Somogyi, that's Hungarian. In English it's Stephen Peter Somogyi. In 1960, purely by accident. Accident because I was looking for a job, and one came my way, which happened to be in the jewelry trade. But the job was to go out selling. I made success of selling, and next minute I found myself in the design shop, and that's when the fascination started. At that point, the Swarovski representatives came to see me and made me a very interesting offer. The offer was to join a newly opened Swarovski office in London and be part of that team. And I became managing director of Swarovski UK in early '68. A few years later, one of the senior directors came to see me and said that Swarovski were planning to open up in the Far East. Branch offices were opening in Hong Kong and then Tokyo, and would I take care of the Asia-Pacific region? And from a base in Tokyo, I opened up the whole Asia-Pacific market for Swarovski, Korea, Taiwan, and later on Australia as well. I took the liberty of designing and launching finished jewelries with a friend of mine, and this collection of crystal jewelries was the forerunner of the consumer product division of Swarovski. Started off in '77, and to try and place Swarovski at different levels of the market, not just in haute couture where they were very well known, not just in jewelries where they were reasonably well known, but to go further and to find markets for Swarovski in finished objects, in decorative tableware, in decorative lighting, in architectural crystal, and in perfumes at the luxury end of the cosmetic and fragrance market. Creative people don't retire that easily, so I decided I wanted to develop something, and a technology and a look which hadn't been done before. I developed a resin, a composite material, which I manufacture myself, which is presented in marbled onyx agate colors, and we set the stones into this, and the stones are held in position because when the resin cures, it actually shrinks onto the stones. So when this technique was developed, I found a way to enable, say, if you like, to enact the desire I had to launch a brand, to launch a technology which wasn't on the market yet. What we've tried to do here, and this is one of my innovations, if you like, is to integrate Murano and Ravenna, pâte de verre, mosaics, very often with genuine gold, silver, copper, bronze inlay, into haute joaillerie. Now, nobody's ever done that, or they've never done it artistically and successfully. I have a great team here. You know, it would be pretentious to say that you can do everything by yourself. I can't, and I wouldn't want to. So, with a team of artists, I run like a school of creative producers, and I give a lot of free range to the various artists who work with me. In that case, you cannot use stones in a preset form. I design, I give color indications, form indications, I know exactly what I want. But it's up to the artist to actually create, to use the different colors, different shapes, the different forms, different sizes of the stones that they get in a very artistic way. So this cannot be pre-described, and otherwise you're into a mass production technique. And I've often had people propose, why don't you make what you make In India or China or Vietnam, you could make it at a tenth of the price. This doesn't interest me at all. You'd end up with hundreds, if not thousands, of exactly the same piece. What I find fascinating is to make unique pieces and give every artist the opportunity to create a piece the way they feel that these colors should be interpreted. Everything we make here in Paris, in the Paris area, so that gives us the chance to control the quality. If there's a manufacturing flaw, we will fix it. But if there's any problem with the product throughout the age of the product, we have an after-sales repair service. If the accessory doesn't conform to the way people spend their lives and the lifestyle of today, then it's not successful. First of all, we make one-of-a-kind pieces. No two items are ever the same. It's quite unique. Nobody has this technology because they don't have the resin. We make it, and I believe that what we make and the material that we actually work with is the secret of our uniqueness. Our work is light, it's extremely easy to wear, very comfortable, but what I really enjoy is coming in here, creating and seeing the reaction of my customers and being able to provide a lot of pleasure and a great deal of romance into their life with pieces of jewelry or collectibles they can't buy anywhere else. That's my fun, and that's the way I'd like to keep it.